Hi there, friends, and welcome aboard. My name is Jasmine. I'm going to be your captain and your storyteller today. Just as a friendly reminder, make sure to keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And parents, make sure to supervise your children. So most people travel to enchanted worlds through the pages of a book. Those that do it in person, whether that be down a rabbit hole or with a little bit of pixie dust, often find themselves on a magical journey that can sometimes even be menacing. And although it may seem like we're traveling through the jaws of Monstro the whale, that very same world that swallowed Pinocchio, we're actually just being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. And of course our story starts with a once upon a time, or in this case a big bad wolf who lives in the cave over on my left hand side. He's always chasing after those three little pigs who live right across the way in those three houses, and one made out of straw, one made out of stick, and one made out of guaranteed wolf-proof brick. And just around the river bend here in a quaint English village, home of Alice, for one golden hour she was chasing a white rabbit and fell down, down, down into Wonderland, only for things to become curiouser and curiouser. Over on my right we have London Park, where Peter Pan, John, Wendy, and Michael Darling first walked in Neverland with the help of Tinkerbell's pixie dust, where they never ever had to grow up. Right up ahead we have the city of Agrabah, a city of mystery and enchantment, where Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart. And although the two are from different worlds, with the power of love and a little help from a genie, they were married and still reside in the Sultan's palace today. Though most stories are filled with love and light, they do have their dark places, places of mystery, like the Cave of Wonders up ahead. Its treasure bears a curse that can only be lifted by setting the genie of the lamp free. And rumor has it, if we make a wish as we pass through, it just might come true. When Snow White fled the evil queen, she encountered a cozy cottage off on my right-hand side, where she now resides with the 7 dwarves. And Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but her wicked stepmother forbade it, casting her away in that blue-shadowed roof on my left-hand side. Her fairy godmother granted her wish, though she couldn't make it back home in time before midnight, so her carriage turned back into a pumpkin, and it's still sitting atop that hill today. Dreams can come true like wishes. They inspire so many of our stories here, whether that be dreams of happily ever after or dreams of drifting off to sleep in a bed of quilted flowers like the ones on my left-hand side, inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony cartoon, Lullaby Land.
They're waving at you, Marno. They're waving at you.
There is magic everywhere here in Storybook, even in our miniature plants, which are all 100% real and will never ever have to grow up. And we have stories like The Winds of the Willow with Mole Rat and Mr. Toad, who live over on my left-hand side. Though it doesn't seem like anybody is home right now, they're probably off on a wild ride to nowhere in particular. Of course, we have stories of magic like that of Arendelle, though Elsa fled to her icy tower atop the hill. Her sister Anna refused to let her go. Right up ahead in Alpine Village, a woodcutter named Geppetto wished for his puppet to become a real boy. And after Pinocchio saved him from the belly of the whale monstro, the Blue Fairy granted that very wish. And wishes are a part of so many stories, like that of a little mermaid named Ariel who wished to live with Prince Eric in the castle on my right-hand side. She gave up her life under the sea and became part of our world. And as our storybook comes to an end, we're going to approach the dock. I ask that you please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat at all times. And please remain seated, my friends. I'm going to count to 3, and we're all going to stand up at the very same time.